on you. It's not 30 days or anything, but I just thought I'm going to do a little recording of what I'm doing here. And I'm painting Leo today, who's, are you okay to be on the video?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
This is amazing Leo with his cello, and you can see why I was inspired to paint him and his cello. And this is for an article in the Artist and Illustrator magazine, and I thought it'd be no harm to just do a short video. Maybe every day I will do a short video. How about that? Doing something of what I'm doing anyway, so it won't be contained within the 10 minutes, and this video is only 5 minutes long. It was really just for the purposes of putting a bit of red in. I thought it'd be kind of nice to have that on video, because it's shifting the painting a bit, putting the red in here. And it had to be good to record it. I want to be nice clean red now, so starting again with that. There you go. So it's kind of outlining the edge of the body there and making the link to the left a little bit more. And this is cadmium red. Good injection of it. And I'll just turn the painting on its side so that that's our alarm for the break, which is good timing because I can let this sit sideways like that for a while. You want me to hold that? And
Oh, that's fine.
okay. So you're hearing the alarm, it's fine. Yeah, so I just want to let this sit on its side for a little while so that it'll go in a different direction, and I'll maybe be surprised when I come back from our break and it'll cause me to do something exciting. If you want to know more about me, have a look at the links below.